Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Injective. Was needed. Injective has been absolutely going ballistic. Was also requested by some of you a little bit earlier actually already. So I'm sorry it took a little bit longer, but here we are. We're covering it. We're doing a full technical analysis. We'll talk about the fundamentals briefly as well. People might not like what I have to say about that, but still, I will tell you. I mean, in these videos, I always try to be realistic, honest, and authentic. All right, so I'm telling you what I think, and you're either going to be happy with that or not, but at least you know that. But all right, so we'll take a look at Injective. First of all, I mean, take a look at this. It's been a huge rally. I still remember when it was at $8 and I was like, if it breaks above 8.2, maybe I should enter a position. I never did because it was also, I mean, a lot was happening back then. So I entered some other positions, which did great, but I did not enter in Injective, which I should have, but still. So yeah, Injective right now is still very bullish. I mean, it really has two different causes, I think. One of the causes is that there's a lot of bullish momentum in the markets. If you take a look at the last 30 days, you can see that Injective is correlated with Bitcoin for about 97%, or the correlation is 0.97. So that's huge, right? And Bitcoin has obviously been very bullish. So now Bitcoin also got that bullish breakout above 35,000. Which means that Injective is trying to break above its main resistance level right now between $15, which it has already broken above, and 15.5. Like if you take a look at this level on the daily time frame, you'll have to scroll back a lot, but then you can see that really the last level that it could break above is this level at like 15.75. That's the last resistance, and at this moment it almost looks unlikely that it will not break above that. Apart from that, I mean, I must say that Injective, I do think there's a bit of manipulation going on as well. Like I think Injective is great. I think it's a great project. But a move like this, and then also with a lot of volume coming from Bika, from CTEX, there's some shady things going on. It doesn't matter because, like I said, I mean, it's a great project and Bitcoin influences it as well. But it's something you should know. So now the big question obviously is will Injective rally up higher, and what's the next price target? Next price target 100% is 17.5 and 18.5, and then afterwards we will probably need to start thinking about 20 and 20.5. But that's the first price target, and can it get there? Yes or not? Yes. It can get there. And at this moment, it's always difficult with making these videos because the situation could change very rapidly. But at this moment, I would say that the most likely scenario is that it will rally up there. If only for the reason that I expect Bitcoin to rally up higher. And if Bitcoin rallies up to 37,000, Injective will follow. All right, so those are my thoughts. If for some reason, like I also think like Bitcoin, it's great that Injective follows Bitcoin. But that also does mean, and you need to be careful for that, that also does mean that if Bitcoin, for some reason, whether it's going to be the economic numbers coming out later today or whatever, if Bitcoin drops down below 35,000, which is a bearish breakout, Injective will follow that too. So be careful, all right? I expect a bullish breakout. I think most of you do too, but be careful and wait for confirmation, all right? Even though we have already gotten a lot of confirmation earlier. Because you can also see that a lot of liquidity is down here between 14 and 12.7, all right? So this entire level is filled with liquidity. If Bitcoin crashes, there's a lot of liquidations going to happen for Injective as well. So be careful, but those are my thoughts. That's my analysis. There's no reason to be bearish on Injective. Apart from that, I also have my own premium group. I launched that yesterday. I already had my own Signals group. You can join that too. It's profitable. But now I also have my premium group for just $10 a month. You get amazing value. Daily trading setups, my own trading guides, news updates with potential trades you can take on that, weekly exclusive videos, information on new tokens that are launching, a lot. All right, links will be down in the description. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.